High upon a hill sits a beautiful house. This house needs someone to fill it with the smell of baking cookies, to laugh in its rooms, and to cuddle up in front of the fire, and to watch the ships come in and out of the harbor. Will you be the one to make this house your home and fill it with wonderful memories? This home has 4 bedrooms, with 3 baths, the original leaded windows, and trim, hardwood floors, and coved ceilings. Plus 2 bonus rooms, a family room with a wood stove in the basement for an additional 1,188 square feet,